Hello. Kushal, is there
Yes,
any
ma'am.
other way? Bolo. Leftmost derivation we are using. Is there any other way? Can I
No, ma'am.
see? Other way means what? Starting with E. If I start with E gives E plus T, we have seen already this way. Can I start with E gives T and can I derive the string? That is my question. Other student can give me the answer, yes or no? Can I derive the string starting with E gives T, yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No. Meaning is what? We have removed the ambiguity from grammar. Using which rule? Using associativity and precedences rule. Okay. So there exists only one way here. So this is how the ambiguity is removed from the expression grammar. Okay. Even compiler also uses the same rules. It applies the rule and eliminates the ambiguity. So now in our case only plus star id are used. Let me add the other operators and let us write the generalized grammar for the expression. So let us add other means other operator means now I am considering E gives E plus E or E minus E or E star E or E by E और parenthesis बाद में ऐड करेंगे let us E raised to E or ID. The same way I told what you have to do. Can anybody tell me first level पे lowest priority operator कौन से है in this case? And if the operators have the same priority, then you have to write them at the same level. So first lowest level operators कौन से हैं? Lowest level priority operators? Plus minus. Now you are giving correct. Yeah. So I need to write what? Plus and minus at the first level. And the first level non-terminal is always a start symbol. Okay. Now who will tell me for the next level पे कौन से operators आएंगे? Yeah, multiplication and division, they have the same priority, but their priority is higher than what? Plus and just a minute. So next level, most of you have given the answer. Next level पे what I have to write? Star and this and introduce a new non-terminal. Yeah, correct. And the next level पे what which operator I have to write? Raise to. Correct. And then fourth level यहाँ पे 4 level आएंगे. Correct. Fourth level पे I'll write the let us introduce a new non-terminal. Is it clear now? We are writing now generalized case. Is that clear? Now you are only going to tell me the rules. Left associative के लिए you have to operand 1 is the non-terminal from the same level. Operand 2 is the non-terminal from the next level. Right associative, it is reverse. That is operand 1 is from the next level and operand 2 is from the same level. Okay, who will tell me the rules now? Now the non-terminals are there. 4 non-terminals E, P, F and P. Your start symbol is E. Terminal symbols in this case, what are the terminal symbols? Plus, minus, multiplication, division, raised to and ID. So you should be able to identify the non-terminals, terminus in your grammar. So plus, minus, star, division, raised to and ID. These are the non-terminals. Who will tell me the rules now? Considering the earlier case, rules now. Who can tell me the rules? Sanket? Yeah, number 9, Sanket.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the rule for the first level?
E gives
Yeah.
E plus T और E minus T.
करेक्ट. और एक आना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट लेवल को डायरेक्टली जा सकते हैं ना हम लोग.
Yes, ma'am.
अगर मैंने यहाँ पे E gives T नहीं दिया तो what will happen? Your expression always needs to have a what? Plus or minus operator. Yeah. If
Yes,
I
ma'am.
give the only expression ID star ID, then you can directly go to the what? E gives T and then T gives. Yeah, that is correct one. The answer is correct. Thank you, Sanket. Let me ask to some other student. Next level के लिए T के लिए. Who want to give the answer for the T? Shreya. Same way, Shreya. T के लिए. Okay, I think Shreya is not in range. Let me check for some other student. Siddhanta, 49 number.
Yes, ma'am.
Same way, you tell me for the T. Rule for the T. T के लिए rules कैसे लिखोगे? Which operators are there? Multiplication and division. What I told you, take the operand one as a non-terminal from the same level and operand two non-terminal from the next level. तो क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? T के rules. Other student, you can give the answer in the chat. Do you know or not? Let me ask my other student. Anugrah.
हेलो.
या हाँ श्रेया अभी रेंज में आ गए बोलो.
हाँ मैम. T into F.
हाँ
T into F.
T into correct. हाँ.
Then T slash F.
Yeah, Anugrah correct. हाँ.
And then F.
और yes.
F.
That is the correct. Okay, thank you. Let F के लिए let me check. Now it is a right associative. So you need to change the role of operand 1 and operand 2. I have given you the hint now. Okay. So for the F will answer Saurav. Saurav. Do you want to answer? Do you know it? Okay. Yash. Okay, Dhanashri, correct answer. Yash or Saurav. Rohan, that is also correct. I have already given you the hint. You need to change the role of operand 1 and operand 2 in case of right associative. So what should be my operand 1? P or F? P or F? Only two students have given the correct answer. It is P raised to F or P. Because हमें next level को directly जाना है. Rohan, it is not P raised to F or F. Next level को हमें जाना है तो it should be P. Yeah. And then finally P gives ID. See how we have written generalized. ठीक है. So if अगर मैंने आपको डायरेक्टली दिया होता और ये डायरेक्टली दिया होता so you will find it very much complicated, but using these rules like this way it is easy. So don't try to remember this grammar or rules. It is not easy, you know that. But if you remember how the expression is solved, what is the mean by priority, what is mean by associativity, and by using this you can easily remove the ambiguity from the grammar. Okay. So in the exam what happens, अगर आपको ये सब ऑपरेटर नहीं दिए हैं, you have to consider only those operators which are given in the grammar and then apply the rule. Like in the earlier case, what was given? Only plus and multiplication. Okay, so we applied only the rules for what? Here. We applied the rule for only plus and star. अगर आपके केस में only minus and raised to दिया है, you consider only those and then write the rules. Okay. So ये हो गया अपना this. Why I have told, because this is now generalized case. So what has remained now? The parenthesize expression. So if I add here parenthesize expression, कहाँ पे मुझे add करना है, or do I need to add a new non-terminal? Who will tell me what I need to do here? If I add, whether the parenthesis is the highest priority, no? कौन से लेवल पे आएगा parenthesize expression? Parenthesize expression. Yes, which level, or do I need to add a new level? We know the parenthesis has the higher priority than any operator. So plus minus यहाँ पे तो नहीं होगा, not at this level, not at this, and here I can add at this level. Because no need to add one more level, because here what parenthesis is what? It is not the operator, no? It is giving a parenthesize expression as the higher priority than any other. So I can add here also. This is how. Yeah, can you derive now any expression? Let's take for the homework. Okay. Derive this using leftmost derivation. Take the problems now on this. Derive this using leftmost derivation. So I'll give few other string, let id raised to id star id. Derive it using the rightmost derivation. You need to practice it, and now tomorrow you will tell me whether there is only one way or there exists more than one ways to derive this string. Okay, let me check. First tell me whether you can derive these strings or not. Can you derive these strings? After that, you have to also draw the parse trees for this. Is my question clear? Okay. So derive the strings using the, I have written here which way you have to use. And now these are the rules. So आपके derivation में बहुत सारे rules आएंगे now. You can see how many rules are there. 1, 2, 3. So first 3 rules using E use E plus T, E use E minus T, E use T. These are the 3 rules. Then T use T star F, or next rule T by F. So कितने हो गए 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total 10 rules are there. So first step here will be what? Write all the 10 rules one by one, and then you apply this. कर सकते हो ना? You can do this now. Derivation, and check whether the ambiguity is removed from the grammar or not. Okay. So after this, now one more I'm giving you ambiguous grammar. As I told that what there is not generalized algorithm to remove the ambiguity. It will, the ambiguity handling, it will change problem to problem. This is an unsolvable problem. So one more problem here we are going to consider. These are the common problems generally. Okay. So how many rules are given? 4 rules, no? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now here I am giving you the string I, B, T, I, B, T, A, E, A. Okay. So now, so in the next lecture we'll discuss this, but before that you have to check whether this is ambiguous or not. Okay, so I have given you this string, and let us derive using rightmost derivation. Derive it using rightmost derivation and check whether there are two ways to derive the same string. Okay, I have given here rightmost derivation. You can use leftmost also, no issue, but you check whether there exist two ways to derive the string. And then you tell me whether this is ambiguous or not. So this is if else statement. If you consider, if I'm considering, let I stands for if, let C stands for condition, let T stands for then, and let S is a statement. So this is a what? If condition then statement. Here what? There is a else part. Let E stands for the else. So we have written only E for else. So this is what? If condition then statement, else statement, or A. Let A stands for the assignment statement. Okay. And let C gives B. Let B is some condition. B is some, you know that condition generates the Boolean value which can be true or false. Okay. So this is what? This is a given. And now check whether it is ambiguous or not. Okay. So we'll stop now. I think second lecture. Vinod sir, kar sakte ho na all of you? Any issue? You give it in the chat window. You can do it, no? And for this subject, practice is very important. Again, I'm telling, daily you should do some practice. Whatever I'm giving you for the homework, don't keep as it is. It is for your practice. In each lecture, it is not possible for me to verify whether each student has done or not. Okay? Vinod sir?
Madam.
Okay, I'll make you a host.
Okay, madam. Kotkar sir also
Before
joined.
that, let me do the Kotkar sir as a co-host.
Yeah, I am joined, ma'am.
And all students, tomorrow, you know, before Thursday, I told you to submit your tutorial. Any issue? I already told you to discuss with me.
Okay, madam. Can I start, madam?
Yeah, sir, you can start. Let me stop my video.
Okay, thank you, madam. Okay, yesterday, am I audible first, everyone?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. Yesterday, I have discussed about Booth's algorithm. I have discussed a flowchart also. Okay, we'll see just 2 minutes. What is that flowchart? Then we'll directly start solving problem. Maybe next week I will tell you theoretical concept of this one. See, if you know how to solve the problem, then there is no problem in theoretical.